Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakay. If you're new here, hi guys, welcome. So it is Sunday. We're starting off our weekly vlog for the week. February, what day is today? Today's the 9th. So February 9th to the 15th. So, this week will be, Valentine's Day on Friday and all that. So, welcome to the Valentine's week vlog. Whatever. Anyways, guys, so my head is looking pretty rough right now, but I'm going to wash it and treat it. So, let's go. Hi, guys. So, I'm about to wash my hair. And I chose to wash it outside because I need to treat it with some things that I just got. So we're gonna start by detangling. Guys, I hope you guys can see this. Like, can you see the dandruff falling? I guess not. But anyways, guys, my hair has been shedding. That's why I need to treat it. I also need to find some natural hair remedies for it. Start with my dandruff shampoo. It's the Sulfur 8 Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Hi guys, I'm on the road. I'm actually heading to pay some bills. I've got to pay a flow bill. Yeah, so I'm going to go to the post office. You see me? I'm not thinking that's because I can't even see myself. So an aunt. Hey guys. So I'm trying to figure out what's for dinner. So we got rice. And I don't know what else. Because we didn't leave any chicken for today. So I don't know what to cook right now. What's for dinner? More eat this one. More eat porridge. I wonder if they know me. Auntie Shunik! Guys, by the way, my cookie is finally finished. Finally done. What is up? It is Tuesday afternoon. Basically, I just finished a bowl of popcorn. I felt like something, to eat something nice, so I did some popcorn in the pot, and then I'm gonna play some Sims. because there's no internet. I have some tests to set, but there's no internet, and the things I need are on the internet. So I'm gonna just waste time until it gets back. Yeah, nothing to do. Hey, Andrea. What? We are sorry for a vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our main decorator right here. This
Yo,
lady here.
yo, you can link me at 442-4945. That's all I'm alright,
This is what he's doing. Yeah, alright. Oh, guys, our backdrops are coming together. And Sister, you know, doing her thing along with Miss Andrea. Hey, guys. Look at this lovely work. Tell me who wouldn't want to take pictures here. Talk about this, guys. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about love. And talk about trust. Let's talk about forever, baby. When you talk about us, you don't understand. When I'm in my bed. No, you're not post it, man. You post next week, Tuesday. So, provider. Ooh, baby, pet. You put this on the floor. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the church and how it's looking in the broad daylight. So guys, this is it. So we got balloons on either side. Balloons saying I love you. And then we have our cocktail tables and our chairs. We have our arch. This is where our food will be served, and you know, seating and all of that. Now we have over here a, we call this a photo booth that we made. So this is a white one, and over here we have a red one. Hey. Now we don't have a white mat, so we did a brown mat, and then we have our light to go up. So yes, we're set and ready for later. It's pretty, it's gonna happen. Let's do this, guys. And then our ladies here are preparing. Yeah.
I mean, want to video, so I hope that not a part of it.
What?
I want the decoration video.
Someone talking at you? We got sandwich, we got, let's call that now.
Look what she calls. Shame on you.
And we got fruit kebabs. Yes, guys. Yeah. And then we got chicken. We got more fruit kebabs. We got our fish over here frying. Yes, guys. So,
just tell me the one. Gloves.
yeah, tell the camera, say I'll kill me. She had shit me.
KK, so pass the next plate for kebab.
The who? Oh, the next plate.
Okay guys, so we're here again with Shakay vlog. Son here vlogging for the thing you see. So now we're going and I told my people today.
Good to see. Yo, alright, chef for the streets. Yes, yes. It's an Everett man. Yes, yes. Kids. Kids. Kids.
Valentines is coming. Sayada. Alright people, there again. Well, I think I final piece this for night. But I don't think I final for week. Alright, final for week. Final for week? Oh. What do we do with dance? Alright, we not do with dance it. So yeah. That's the part alone left. And that's the vlog master. See right down there, so tired as oops. From day she at work. See her, she tired, don't look. Look there. Oh no, see pretty face again. Don't wear a smile and I say, hey guys! Can't forget that. What's up guys?
I'm tired. Good night.
Sleep.
Peace.
Peace. Peace be with us all. Peace be. My new shoes on the block. All the dirty people, you know? First night. And think we step out the Shanique in the streets. Nice streets. Reverse. Lean back. Lean back. Shanique's always in that.
Turn back. Good.
You enjoy yourself?
Happy. I want you today.
Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's to you all. For those who are just watching, I'm Shanique, Shakay's sister, the sweetest one. Anywho, if you're single, link me up.
Yeah. If you're single, link me up to a year. I ain't single. Yeah, so happy Valentine's Day. You know what I say? Happy Valentine's Day to all of the couple them. If you're single, Valentine is coming. Where's your spouse? Night. Get that bug camera. Kush. We're out here like Saturday night, is it?
What about the dance?
6. Kush. You know what I mean, guy? Okay. Push them out.
Hi guys. Hey guys, I was just editing the vlog from last week and I realized I did not end the vlog, so I just want to jump on and say thank you guys for watching this vlog and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I know Valentine's has passed, but happy Valentine's Day to you guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy it and look forward to next week's vlog. Love you guys and peace.